In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. In this video we will discuss the scientific facts of Islam with the reference of Quranic ayat. The first fact is the creation of life. Allah says in Quran, "We made every living thing from water." Will they not believe? The reference is Quran, Surah number 21, ayat number 30. In this verse, Allah mentions water as the basic element of the creation of every living thing. Today, science proves that every living thing is made up of cells, and these cells consist of 80% cytoplasm, which in simple terms is water. This might have seemed odd for the people of that time, as there was no science to prove it. But today science proves this fact, which Quran mentioned 1400 years ago. The second fact is the presence of iron. For the people of today, iron is a metal that is found on earth. However, according to scientists, today the original source of iron is not a metal of this earth. Rather, it came from space. Quran mentions iron in the following way: "We sent down iron, in which is material for mighty war, as well as many benefits for mankind." The reference is Quran, Surah number 57, ayat number 25. This ayah states that the iron is not something that formed on earth, but was actually sent down by Allah. According to scientists, billions of years ago, meteorites hit earth, and these meteorites came with the metal iron, which then dispersed and immersed in different parts of the earth. The third scientific fact is sky as protector. Allah says in Quran, "We made the sky a protective ceiling, and yet they are turning away from our signs." The reference is Quran, Surah number 21, ayat number 32. Allah mentions sky as the protective ceiling and calls it as a sign. Today, this is a scientific fact that the sky actually does serve as a protective shield for life on earth. Earth's atmosphere protects life on earth by filtering harmful ultraviolet radiations from the sun, destroying most materials that pass through it and retaining heat. Earth's atmosphere also provides oxygen to humans and animals, and carbon dioxide to plants. The fourth scientific fact is function of mountains. Allah says in Quran, "Did we not make the earth a resting place and the mountain as stakes?" The reference is Quran, Surah number 78, ayat number 6 to 7. This ayah describes mountains as stakes which go deep down in earth. Today, science proves this claim of Quran, according to which the mountains are not just above the surface. Rather, they have roots deep down below earth's surface as well. The highest peak in the world, Mount Everest, can be the best example of this. According to scientists, Mount Everest, that is 9 km above the surface, has its roots almost 125 km below the surface. Thus, the metaphor of mountains as stakes in Quran actually gets a scientific proof. The fifth is earth like an egg-shaped. Allah says in Quran, after that He smoothed out the earth. The reference is Quran, Surah number 79, ayat number 30. The word Daha means egg-shaped. However, the other meaning of this word is spread out. Even the translation spread out is correct, as it points towards increase in surface area. Today, science tells us that the Earth's surface area gradually started spreading along the Sun and our neighboring planets 4.57 billion years ago. So, the Quran correctly described the surface area as increasing. These are the facts we should know